So, how did you feel about the writing workshop that I did with those high schoolers and middle schoolers? How do you feel like it went?
I think it went extremely great. One of the identifying factors, of course, is student attendance, which is really great. I was not that I wasn't expecting the students to come every day, but they came every day enthusiastic. And I think that speaks volumes.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
We're really good. And then everybody was really engaged. And I know, like, in this Zoom world, sometimes we're like, okay, come on your camera, come on your camera. We gauge that as participation. But for them to be so vocal, I was very surprised about how vocal the students were. But that's exciting.
Absolutely. And how did you feel about the writing prompts and the different topics the students decided to write about and how they used some of the lessons in their own writing?
Yeah, the writing prompts were extremely rough. Some, and I think that's what really boosts the engagement of students because they felt like they had autonomy. Because we're talking about high school students, one middle school student, and I feel like their voices are always pushed to the side. But it's to say, okay, what do you think about this? And I like how you engage them in a way of, oh, okay, this is cool. So one student, some other teacher was like, oh, okay, extraterrestrials. Like, what? Aliens, absolutely not. But you engage, like, okay, tell me more and things about that. And so even if it felt outlandish to some people, their interests and yeah, their interests were really engaged. They chose the ones that really engaged them. So I love it.
Yes,
That
yes.
was
Well,
good.
thank you so much for this opportunity. I had a lot of fun and I'm excited about the next one.